Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up the Meta or Facebook pixel on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I'm going to mention is that you can use the Meta pixel for ads and other selling purposes, which you can do by integrating Facebook and Instagram into your Squarespace site. I have other tutorials on this, but to make a quick summary, you just go into products and services, click on selling tools, click on products on Facebook and Instagram, and connect via this. Now you can do that, or you can set up a metapixel in a different way. This will be to track site traffic, and the way you do this is the following. First, you're going to delete any code you might have added if you tried to integrate it with a code. Since there is a meta integration in this site, there is an official Squarespace integration with Meta. So to delete any code, you're going to go to website tools and click on code injection, and under the header and footer and lock page fields, pretty much anywhere where you can find it, you might find some meta code, which will be limited by 2 comments, which are basically lining out where the code is. You just want to delete everything in between those 2 comments and delete the comments themselves as well, and that will delete all of your code on your website. Now, to set up the official integration, it is a bit easier, so I would recommend this method very much. And the way you do this is you go into settings, and then from here you go into marketing, and as you can see, metapixel and ads is an option that appears here. So you just want to click on that, and you're going to have to add your pixel ID if you didn't create a pixel on Facebook. I do recommend you do it now, but once you get your pixel ID, you just add it here and save any changes you might have. If I add random code, as you can see, this isn't an ID, but if it were, you can just click save in the top right, and that is basically it. And then your site will have the integration with Pixel, and that is literally all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.